Hi there, I'm Lisa Marie. Welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to do some Dollar Tree DIY crafts on a budget. This sounds like something you like. Stick around. And we're off to Dollar Tree again, this time to pick up some really cute stickers. We're going to use these stickers and I'm going to show you some awesome hacks. Let's get started. For this Dollar Tree sticker hack, I've got this cute little box I found at the thrift store for $3. Looks like it originally came from TJ Maxx. And then I've got these cool little faux kind of metal stickers from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to turn this box into something that looks really vintage. I'm going to clean it with my crud cutter, take off the little hinges, and then I'm going to sand down the whole box and get rid of that little design on the top. And since it's just painted off, not too bad. There it is, ready to go, and I've wiped away all the dust. Next, I'm going to take my Waverly Antique Wax and I'm just going to put a decent coat on the whole thing and then wipe away all the excess just to freshen it up and give it a little more dimension so it doesn't look quite as worn but still old. And there it is. I'm going to put back the hinges and then we're going to go ahead and start using the stickers to embellish this. So I want this to be like a little treasure box where you keep important things. I'm making this for my husband. He loves stuff like this. And it's rustic, so he loves that. So I've got this really pretty cherish sticker and then I'm going to put little embellishments. I don't know what you call those on the ends. And I put all different ones. It just looks so cute. And then I figured the stickers weren't strong enough, so I put some Aleene's Tacky Glue on the back of every single one just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Because sometimes the sticky stuff kind of comes off. And I added some more things to the corners of the two smaller sides. I'm also going to put some stickers on the back. They're all a little different, but they all look kind of vintage. On the top, I'm going to put this really cool little design, kind of like a mandala, but it comes in 3 parts. So it's got a center, a middle, and then an outside one. And I just thought that looked really nice on the top. And I found some other little embellishments to put in the 4 corners on the top. I'm going to take my Folk Art Brushed Metal Gold and my Apple Barrel Burnt Umber, and I'm going to make sure all the pieces are like the same color so it looks like they all go together. And that really makes such a difference because it really does look cohesive now and I'm loving it. This was so easy to do and it was really fun. I'm going to finish it off with some finishing wax that I got on Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon store and that just kind of seals the wood and I love it. Let me know what you think.
And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
For this Dollar Tree sticker hack, I've got this adorable little like hanging planter type thing. It was $2 at the thrift store. And then I've got that sticker. I'm going to use the word family and I'm going to use my Agave Waverly chalk paint. It's my favorite paint color of all the Waverly ones. And I did a couple coats all around except for deep inside, which you'll never see. And then I'm going to take my Rust-Oleum or linen white paint and I'm going to spray the top of it with my mister and I'm just going to do like a white wash over the top. I love that combination of the white and the agave. I just think it's such a fresh look. So nice for spring and summer and I love that look. And I'm just going to keep the texture going one direction on the front and then on that back piece the other direction. I'm going to take off that word family. I'm going to cut them into individual letters. It's so much easier to place it. And then I'll just start in the middle and work my way out. Now that that's all on there, I'm going to take those little bubble stickers. I painted them all white and I'm going to put a row along the bottom and along that top edge there above the word family. And then I'm going to take some elephant chalk paint by Waverly and I'm going to dry brush over the whole thing very lightly, including the words because I want it to look a little bit more worn, but still it's got the bright color, which I really like, even though it's muted down just a little bit. I love the layering of the paint. It just gives it so much more dimension. And And then I'm going to take a wet paper towel and wipe off some of the excess over the word. I want to leave some there, but I want to be able to see the word nice and clear. I'm going to put Mod Podge over the entire thing, and then I'm going to put some floral foam on the inside. I decided not to glue it in because I don't think it needs it. The weight of the flowers will hold it nicely. And then I got these gorgeous peonies on Amazon. They are stunning. I'm going to cut some pieces off of those, and I'm just going to stick them right in the floral foam. And literally, that's all there is to this one. It is so beautiful in person. I hope it comes across on the screen, but I absolutely love this one. The colors, I love the pink peonies against that kind of like agave turquoise color. And then I took a little piece of twine, put it through the hole in the back, and just tied for a hanger. And that's all. I love this one. I hope you guys love it too.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything.
For this Dollar Tree sticker hack, I've got this little $2 candlestick holder or candle holder that I got at the thrift store, and I'm going to use those bubble stickers and some off-white paint by Amy Howard at Home, and then I'm going to clean it with the crud cutter, of course. And I'm just going to paint this whole thing. It took about 3 coats to really get it the way I wanted, where you didn't see quite as much of the color underneath. And I just love that nice, crisp, beautiful look. I'm going to take those bubble stickers that I painted white, and I'm just going to put them around the bottom, and I'm going to leave a little space between each one because I want it to have like a different look. I don't want it to be like a solid circle of that. And you'll see them all on here in just a second, and I did use the hot glue, of course. See what I mean? And I am going to touch that up and make sure it's really white. Got this little foam ball I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use my putty knife and just slice it right in half. I'm going to hot glue it to the very top of that candle holder. I'm not going to use it as a candle holder. This is going to be a floral arrangement. I think it's just going to be so pretty. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree peonies and some off-white flowers that I also got. I'm not sure what kind they are. I already cut off the tag. And then I've also got this boxwood, or I think it's eucalyptus, from Amazon. And I'm just going to start cutting little pieces and put them all the way around the foam. And then I will add the flowers, and that's it. It's so pretty. Let me know what you think.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
For this Dollar Tree sticker hack, I've got this cute little mirror, framed mirror from the thrift store, and then I've got a little sticker from Dollar Tree and the elephant chalk paint and the linen white from Rust-Oleum. Now, I don't end up using that sticker in the end, and I also cleaned it with my crud cutter. I always do that with all my thrifted items. You can't believe how dirty they really are. So I covered this whole thing, except the mirror, with the elephant. Then I'm going to take the white, and I'm just going to lightly brush over it. Not lightly, but I mean, not a full coverage, just a decent one. And then I'm going to take a wet cloth, and I'm going to wipe most of the white off. And I even sprayed a little water on there just to make it easier to remove. And I do paint around the edges. I didn't do the back on this one because it really didn't need it. It already had a nice finish back, you know, the way it was. So there I am, misting it, and then I'll take my paper towel and start wiping off. And the reason I like to do this is it shows the darker color, but it puts all of the white in the little cracks and crevices. You can do that in reverse too. It's a really cool technique. So I did not like that one in the middle. It just didn't go with the vintage look at all. So you'll see I am going to replace that. And it already has a hanger in the back, so I don't have to do anything with that. I'm using my rub and buff. I'm using the antique gold, I think it's called. And I decided I wanted it to have just a little bit of a sheen, so I went all around with the rub and buff. And I love the combination of the elephant, the white paint, and then the rub and buff on top. It really looks vintage when it's all said and done. And I'm going to put some on the edges as well, because I just think anywhere that I painted, it makes sense to add that rub and buff. That stuff is so cool. Sticker, it's like the fake metallic type stickers, and it's going to say love in the middle, and I think it's gorgeous. I mean, this won't be used as an actual mirror, it's more of a decor piece, and I did add some rub and buff to that so it all matches, and I love this one. Talk about an easy thrift flip using Dollar Tree stickers. I love it. I hope you do too.
And now shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked everything. Let me know which one was your favorite. And thank you so much for watching. You are a blessing to me. If you enjoyed this video, I have another one on the screen that I think you'll really like. Go ahead and click that one and I will see you there. Bye.